Everybody plan to run business. Research it there for ICT. Oh yes, it go make your yield plenty, not less. Prosperity, no poverty. Plenty property, yes. Working on the land, labor, not laziness. Lender and ways, lender and ways. About it no two ways. And if hunger they come at all, who cares? Cause buffer day, plenty day.
Impressive.
Thank you. Imagine 10 more of these. I have the land to support it too.
Listen, your dream shall become a reality. We will work hard to make it happen.
Amen.
Even in rainy days, good ideas and better jobs and best quality of life. Money no be palava, it no be wahala. Yeah, bye, yeah, bye, yeah, bye, yeah, bye, yeah, bye. Solutions, yeah, bye. Ramen koda.
Wow, so the greenhouse practices.
Yep.
So especially since the market research shows that there's going to be a growing demand in the next 5 years with supply lagging behind. Now what makes your case even stronger is your intention not to sell all of your fresh produce, but process 50% of them to ready-to-eat packages. Listen, while working together with poultry and other livestock farmers.
Separation is the order of the day. That's the only way to compete the foreign influx.
Look, I like the way you think, very forward-looking.
That's the way to go. You know, in business, you need to plan like 5 years ahead.
3 months out of 6 minutes.
Exactly.
And that is money in the bank for you.
That is money in the bank. All you need to do is to get the right techniques to invest in it.
This is awesome. This is awesome.
This is how it all starts.
Madam,
Yes, of course.
you have a visitor. Your mother. Your mother-in-law is here.
Really?
Yes, please.
Where is she?
She's in the kitchen. She brought some foodstuffs.
Okay. Oh, Adobea.
Alma,
Good to see
look at you. How are you? Has the vomiting subsided?
A little, but I'm getting better.
Don't worry. I have brought you something to take care of it.
Wow, the numbers look really good. Wow, so for initial investment of 70,000 Ghana cedis, you make an annual turnover of 250,000.
Yes, sir. With a 30% cost component.
This is, look, all vegetable farmers must explore this. It's revolutionary. So, all things being equal, you should be able to repay your loan in, let's say, a year.
Yep. More importantly, it doesn't need a lot of land to establish. Just check out this video.
I could feel the pride in Kofi's voice when he told me he's now a certified...
Adobea.
But I'm cross with you. You should have told me yourself. After all, I was the instigator. Or is it the agent provocateur?
I told him to keep it quiet. It's only a few weeks old. Maybe he couldn't keep it quiet, so he had to tell you.
He knows what it means to me. That's why. I know. Now the cat is out of the bag. So now we look forward and plan. Starting with your nutrition.
Okay.
All right. Nothing impacts more on a baby.
Madam, you have a call.
Thank you. Excuse me. Hello, Kole. My Skype meeting? Oh dear, 5 minutes. Okay, I'm going to get the connection done and I'll give you feedback, okay? Thank you so much for the reminder. Thank you. I'm going to get ready. Thank you. Mama Adobea, I have to go. I have to get some work done.
Okay.
So I'll see you in a bit.
Solutions,
Agos, how old are you?
21, Mom.
Really? You are big for your age. I would have said you're much, much younger. Do you enjoy the work you do?
Very much. Madam Amma and Uncle Kofi are nice people.
You seem to me a very smart young woman. You must have big plans for the future.
I do.
I thought so. So what's a grand plan?
I have always wanted to become a beautician.
Great. You can become whatever you want to be. It starts with a plan, right? And then a diligent execution with passion plus prayer.
Thank you, Mom.
My pleasure. And now the hard part. I can understand why you want to become a beautician. Clearly, you have style. In fact, when you start that career, I will advise that you dress even more flamboyantly. Yes? For now, you are the house help. A very important and honorable job. Taking care of this house. Looking after this household. In fact, the lives of Kofi and Amma are in your hands. You know that?
Yes, Mom.
So you are very important to me. Do you understand?
Yes, Mom.
Good. Now for every job, there is a dress code. Whether you are a nurse, a doctor, a soldier, a welder, a house help, for every job, there is a corresponding dress code for very important reasons. Do you understand? Good. Come, I'll show you. Okay?
This one. Yep. This is really good. I can literally feel the nutrients going down my bloodstream.
And you know what? A bowl of salad a day keeps the doctor away.
That is really good. That should be a tagline, you know. So tell me, Justin, have you heard about farm radio?
Farm radio. There's a new FM station.
Close but not quite. See, they are an international non-profit dedicated to serving farming families and rural communities through radio. They don't own their own radio stations per se, but they partner with radio stations to disseminate vital agricultural information and technology.
Wow, you mean they render extension services through radio?
Exactly. But they have partner radio stations that they work with, especially community-based radio stations.
Wow, interesting. Are they in Ghana?
Yes, they have an office right here, and I would love to connect you to them. See, I think it would be great for you to share your greenhouse revolution with other vegetable farmers. And I see it as a game changer. It's a win-win situation, see? They get the knowledge, you get the stardom, which is vital for marketing.
Wow, you're a clever man, Mr. Ghana. I'm definitely interested.
Well, I will make it happen then. That way, my visit to you will be a triple blessing.
Enyamelo solutions, Fukuna was the solutions, man. Ododio. Boma Perro, Boma Carente, Boma Balanchante Bunyole. Boma Balanchante Bunyole.
Now you look the part. The trick is to respect what you do, be professional and passionate about it, and give it your all. That is the pathway to success.
Thank you so much, Ma.
You see, professional etiquette is a habit you must cultivate, so it stays with you for a lifetime. When you perfect it, one day you will be servicing or beautifying kings and queens, princes, princesses, high society people.
Amen.
Something smells good in here. I see someone has had a makeover.
Ma Adobea has been coaching me. Please thank her for me.
She coaches us all. What would we do without her wise counsel? Thank you, Ma.
You are not upset about my intuition? Oh, you know I can help myself. Busybody.
Once a teacher, always a teacher. Every time. You always add value. Thank you so much.
Well, if you have given me permission, then you are banned from this kitchen for the next 30 minutes.
Ma Adobea, I was just about to taste the soup.
You're giving me permission, so out.
You're too much.
Oh my God, I'm so happy.
Solutions,
The soup was really nice.
You enjoyed it, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
Sit down.
Okay.
It had all the nutrients you need. You'll have to prepare some for Madam. She needs it most.
Madam does her own food, though. I only help her do it.
Yeah, good, but can you cook?
I am not really good. I can do some small things, though. She told me cooking wasn't a key job requirement.
I understand. But are you willing, ready to learn?
Yes. I just didn't get a chance to.
Okay. Don't worry, I'll teach you.
Okay.
Cooking is an invaluable skill a woman should have. Plus, it will ensure that you can feed Amma when the need arises.
Also, please.
Go right ahead. Let me spoil you, huh?
So how many do you want to have?
How many do you want to have?
4.
4.
Yeah, simple 4, like just 4. Like, 4, it has a ring to it, like 4.
No, not 4.
It's okay, I know we talked about 2. I was just pulling your legs.
Not too much. You like pulling legs, eh? Okay.
Oh, I do.
Yeah. I need a leg rub.
A leg massage?
Yes. For causing me unimaginable trauma.
Well,
go on.
one leg massage coming up.
That feels so good. You're very good to me.
I love doing good things for you, Amma.
Never stop.
Oh, I ain't stopping. So have you thought of a name?
Nah, not really. Have you?
Are you wholly for Ghanaian names?
Most definitely.
Well, then that helps narrow the field then.
All we have to do is wait for the gender.
Wait, I thought we were waiting.
Yeah. So we wait when he or she is born, then we give a name. Oh, don't look so sad. But yeah, there are other things you can have.
Really?
Yeah.
Other things, huh?
Yep.
Marco, that is why the nomenclature agribusiness is apt, I guess.
Precisely. Agriculture is one of the most integrated industries in the world. It demands knowledge in all fields.
Well, yes, most people think all you need is some hoe and a cutlass and some seeds.
Yes, it is relatively easy to enter. But if you want to make a living out of it and prosper, then you need knowledge and skill, ranging from economics to biology.
Exactly. So the question here is that how do we transfer this business consciousness, this idea, this knowledge, this know-how to our farmers? So if you ask me, I think that is the only way agribusiness is going to grow in this country.
Well, I think it's also about efficiency and exploiting all the options in the entire value chain. And not just about getting the youth to wreck the supposed abundant fertile lands.
That is why Farm Radio exists, to provide this vital extension education to enable our farmers scale up.
Please do not forget to preach about value addition. That's the game changer. Not only should you educate and train the farmers to increase their yields through improved seeds, better cultural practices, show them how to turn the cocoa into chocolate, how to reach the market, starting with the 3 billion Chinese.
No, chocolates. Value addition, Marco, is simple as that. Even take mangoes, okay? Cut them out ripe ones, cut them into slices, dry them up, package them well, sell them to the market. That is how you add value to stuff. Just been good points there.
As the global middle class increases, especially in Asia, urbanization will increase and food security will become crucial. That is where agribusiness as an employer and an eventual world creator becomes obvious. Yeah. And you are right. Production, value addition, and marketing should all happen here.
That's the point, Marco. Great point.
Solutions
Hello.
You sneaked off without a goodbye, huh?
Multitasking, remember?
Really?
Anyway, I feel much better. Your magic worked.
Happy to hear that. Take care of yourself and my grandchild.
I will.
And have a fruitful day.
And thank you. Aquile? Oh, the chocolate lady. Okay, let us sit in the meeting room. I'll be there shortly. Thank you.
Value addition on
Value addition.
Value addition meeting.
Yep.
Oh boy.
Well, it's indeed been a great pleasure.
Thank you.
Spending time with you both.
Thank you.
Same here, but trust Josephine, the innovator here. She prompted all the smart solutions.
You guys are too kind, but I love to keep it simple and to the point. Value addition. And that's the way forward.
Exactly, straight to the point.
Yeah.
Value addition. Well, listen, if you guys will excuse me, I have to get home to my lovely wife.
Oh.
Yes, she's made me a proud man.
Really?
I know that look. Congrats.
Congrats, Mr. Ghana.
Thank you very much.
About it.
Well,
How did it happen?
technically we've been trying for a while now. You know,
Okay.
Amma and I are more focused on the business. In the family on the downside a little bit. But
Okay.
now we're excited.
Good, eh?
Very good.
Merci beaucoup. The challenge now is moving it from bespoke door-to-door services into a global brand.
Very good. I like that. Let's make it happen.
Are you okay? Wait, let me just check. Let me check. So you mean you don't know?
How did you know?
My mother is a midwife.
see.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Help! Help!
The stats for this kind of procedure are not too good. You'll have to pray.
What do you mean?
There's no easier way to say it. But the probability of you carrying a baby to term is severely limited.
Wait. Doctor, what are you saying? Are you saying I can't have children?
Probably not.